In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, after clicking on Text Correction, use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back, as you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!